What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I got to do a quick video on this app called Receipt Pal. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's an app where you can get 5 cents for every receipt that you take a picture of. It's going to go into, basically your account. It's going to, like these check marks, they come into pending status. So basically, you take a picture of your receipt. You scroll down here, you see this camera icon. This is what you're going to click on when you have one. And so I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to give you 2 examples of how it works. So I'm going to click on it. And just make sure you take a picture of the full receipt, just like this. Click on the camera icon again, click done, and then click submit, and wait for it to do its thing. And you'll see that check mark, it'll kind of go into like a little pending, like a little clock right there. It usually takes them maybe like, an hour or 2 for them to approve it. So I'm going to do another one just because. So click on the camera icon again, and again, the full picture. Click on the camera, click done, then click submit, and again it'll go into the little pending status. And so like I said, you'd have to wait a little while for it to actually fully approve. And then that's basically it. That's all you have to do. They do have lots of different reward options that you can choose from, and they send out gift cards and they come instantly. So let me show you some of the gift cards, things you can get with it. $5 Amazon gift card or retail gift card. $10, Amazon or retail gift card. And like I said, these things come instantly. They'll send right to your email. They got $25 ones. They have, I think, 50 and 100. So the thing is, what you'll do if you want to do an Amazon gift card, obviously, you'll put in your information, your email, and they'll send it right to you. And as far as the retail gift cards, they have like a Visa gift card that you can choose from. They have Walmart, Best Buy. There's like a couple of restaurants in there. So there's different things you can choose from when it comes to the retail options. So it's pretty much, whatever you want to choose from as far as, the retail or the Amazon. But like I said, they'll send it to your email instantly. You don't have to wait for it. You need a minimum of 2,200 points. That'll equal $5. And that's how it works. And as far as like the how it works with the receipts, is like you have to make sure your receipts are after the day they have it. So you see here, it says accepting receipts dated 10/16 or after. So any receipt after 10/16 is good. If it's anything before that, it'll deny it. And it won't give you the points until all 4 of those check marks actually go into pending status. Like basically when you take a picture of it, it'll go into pending status, and then when it's approved, that circle, it'll turn to a white check mark. So that means it's good. And you have to get 4 of those. 4 of those basically equals 20 cents, and then they'll put the 100 points into your account. So it's like 5 cents equals 25 points, but they won't put the points into your account until the whole card is finished. So basically 4 receipts have to go into your account first. So, that's how it works. But to keep it simple, just take a picture of every receipt that you get. You get 5 cents for it, and just let it pile up. It really does pile up fast when you're taking, 2-3 pictures of receipts like every single day. Doesn't matter where the receipt came from. That's how you can make your money pile up fast with this app. So, like I said, you can download it with the link in the description to your phone, Android or iPhone, doesn't really matter, and make some money with it. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.